On Google, you'll find that people wrongfully claim that strawberry seeds take 2 years to produce fruits. Lies! I've done it in 9 months, and the trick is to start them inside so they're established by the time spring comes. Now, lots of people ask me, where do you find strawberry seeds? All you have to do is pick them off of strawberries you ate and liked. In my house, I have a spot dedicated to seeds I harvested from undeniably delicious fruits. For strawberries, just take a butter knife, warning, don't use one that's too sharp, and skin the strawberries, get under the seeds just like an apple. You could do this in patches, or with practice, you could get a whole strawberry on a single peel. Then place these peels on top of a clean, dry piece of paper towel and place this in a dry room for about 5 days. When they're dry enough, you'll see the seeds poke out and you could easily scratch them off with your nails. I put about 15 seeds into a 4-inch pot, and this soil is pre-moistened with tap water. When you put the seeds in the soil, all you have to do is stir the top centimeter and make sure none of the seeds are visible. Now, my secret to successful germination is to spray that top soil with tap water mixed with some hydrogen peroxide. The combination of chlorine and hydrogen peroxide will help keep everything sterile, which is extremely important. Now, strawberry seed viability isn't that great, so don't expect all of them to germinate. Since I planted 15, usually around 20% of them will sprout, and if more than one does, you could separate them later. Place this pot in a warm, humid location with at least 15 hours of low light, and check on it daily. When the soil looks less brown, rehydrate it with that same water. And my last tip is patience. Strawberry seeds can take up to 2 months to germinate. For example, these seeds were planted on December 4th, and this last baby right here didn't sprout until January 29th. If you value this content, like, comment, subscribe, and for the best tutorials on how to grow, check out my other videos.